Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Clarice Emparado, and my topic is all about scales and modes. Scales and modes. So, kapag naririnig natin yung words na scale, ano yung unang pumapasok sa isip natin? Siyempre, kapag sinearch natin yan, maraming ibig sabihin. Pero, ang scales, kapag sinearch natin siya in music, ang Tagalog nito ay sukat. Kumbaga, ito yung isang sukat sa isang musika. So, sabi dito, the word scale comes from the Latin word meaning, ibig sabihin ay ladder. So, parang yung isang scale or yung sukat ng music ay nagre-represent ito by the stave. Ibig sabihin ng stave ay ito yung 5 horizontal line na makikita natin sa gitara. Here are some degree of a scale. Nakikita natin dito yung ito. So, itong mga ito ay may mga special siya na name. Katulad ng makikita natin sa first degree, ito ay tinatawag na tonic. So, ang tonic ay tumutukoy ito sa isang nota or chord na nagsisilbing sentro ng isang scale sa isang musika. Halimbawa dito na kanta ay yung Imagine ni John Lennon. And yung pangalawa naman ay supertonic, ang pangatlo ay median, fourth subdominant, 5 degree ay dominant, 6 degree ay submedian, and 7 degree tinatawag na leading note or leading tone. So, hindi ko na ito isa-isa gawa ng na-explain mo nito nung nakaraang nag-report. So, yung pang-8 degree naman ay tinatawag din siyang tonic. But it's sabi dito, higher, octave higher. Kumbaga, mas mataas na to, pero dapat, tawag pa rin dito ay tonic. First degree. So, sa kadahilanan, kapag pinangalan natin yung degrees, yung isang sukat ng degree, or lagyan natin to ng degree, dapat itong tawagin na first degree. So, meron ditong 5 types of scales. Una dito yung major scales. So, one of the more common types of scale is a major scale. So, ito naman is nag-define ito by the combination of semitones and tones, or yung pattern niya ay whole step and half step. So, kapag sinabi natin semitones, ito yung makikita natin sa piano keyboard. Ito yung distance from a white key on a piano keyboard ay distance from a white key to a neighboring block. So, ibig sabihin ng semitones ay ito. Ito yung semitones sa piano. Then, yung tone naman niya ay interval of 2 semitones added together. Ito naman yung mga, ito sa block, sa part na to. So, ayun yung, sa major scale, ito yung combination ng semitones and tones. And, the second types of scale that we're going to look as a minor scale. Ayan. Sabi dito, minor scales also have 7 notes like the major scale, but they're defined by having a flattened third. So, ibig sabihin that the third note of the scale is 3 semitones above the first note. Samantalang yung major scale naman ay yung third note nito ay may 4 na semitones above. And ang minor scale naman ay may 3 uri siya. Una ay natural minor and harmonic minor and the melodic minor. So, itong mga types of minor scale ay meron tong mga, sabi dito, meron siyang medyong anong tawag dun? Meron siyang medyong kakaibang ginagamit na formula. Pero, lahat daw sila ay meron pa rin daw siyang minor third. So, ibig sabihin ng minor third, parang ito yung may mga tunog na yung mga pang-kalungkutan na tunog. Basta sad, ganun. So, makikita natin sa larawan ang ascending F major scale na F, G, A, B, B, C, D. So, kapag daw mag-create tayo ng natural minor scale, mag-start tayo sa major scale. And yung the lower third third, 6th, and 7th scale degree niya ay may mga semitone. So, halimbawa dito, above using the F major scale, ibig sabihin, we will be lowering yung A niya, yung A ay yung A, itong third, magiging siya, AB. Then yung D naman, the 6 naman ay magiging DB. Then yung E naman is magiging AB siya. Sa pangalawang larawan naman, makikita natin dito yung ascending F natural minor scale na merong F, G, A, B, 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 C, D, B, and then A, B. So, the natural minor scale is related din daw siya sa major scale because it shares the same designator as a major scale. So, makikita natin dito na mayroon itong 4 na 4 flats. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, may mga flats na siya. And so the key signature would read the AB, BB, so the key signature would read BB, AB, AB, and DB. So this is the same key signature as the key of the major scale. Din yung pangalawang types of minor scale naman ay ang harmonic minor scale. So the harmonic minor scale is differs from the natural minor scale is only one way. The 7th scale degree is raised by a semitone. So sa natural minor scale, ang 7 degree ay tinatawag na minor 7. Kapag naman ang harmonic minor scale naman, ang tawag naman dito ay major 7. So, mayroon din na pagkakaiba sa ikapito nitong notes. O tinatawag itong leading note ito. Meron siyang mamaya mo. So, the third minor scale naman ay yung pangatlong types of minor scale ay melodic minor scale. So, in the traditional sense, melodic minor has an ascending form and descending form. Ibig sabihin that the notes in the scale change based on the whether you are playing up the scales or down the scale. So, pwede mo tong baguhin whether you kapag ikaw ay nag-play ng music. So, meron din ditong pagkakaiba ang ascending and descending. So, ibig sabihin ng ascending, ito yung mataas yung tunog niya. Din yung descending naman is mababa. So, ito yung larawan ng ascending. Kung mapapansin natin dyan, meron siyang dalawang major 6 and major 7. Samantalang yung isa naman, yung descending ay minor 6 and minor 7. So, let's proceed to the three types of scale. So, yung pangatlo ay ang chromatic scale. So, chromatic scale ay mayroon siyang 12 notes. So, meron din itong pagkakaiba ng sa isang semitone sa pagitan ng mga nota nito. Dahil ang chromatic scale ay may dalawang uri. We have ascending and descending. So, makikita natin dito sa larawan yung example ng ascending chromatic scale na nag-start siya sa C. So, yung isa naman sa descending ay nag-start naman siya sa GB. Then, chromatic scale is hindi ginagamit natin to use every single note, but we don't say na ang chromatic scale is a certain case. So, ginagamit lang natin ito that the scale kung saan tayo nag-starts. Then, pang-apat ay whole tone scale. The whole tone scale is a type of scale where each note is an interval of tone or a part. It is the complete opposite of the chromatic scale where every note is a semitone apart. So, meron na ang whole tone scales naman ay meron naman siyang 6 na notes lang. So, wala itong semitones or half tone. Ay, half step ala. So, halimbawa nito yung kanta ni Miles Davis na So What. So What. And yung whole tone stop ni Fats Waller. So, ang whole tone ay meron siyang distinctive sound. And ito yung, it can be fun to play around with. Then, ilan na to? Pang-last naman ay ang pentatonic scale. So, pentatonic scales are one of the simplest and have been around for a very long time. So, ang pentatonic scale naman is, meron naman siyang 5 notes. So, isa ito sa, ayon dito, ito daw ay isa sa pinakalumang at pinakagamit na sukat sa isang musika. Ito ay ang pentatonic scale. So, the word pentatonic from a Greek word pente. Ibig sabihin is 5. It is the it's the same Greek word that we get pentagon. Ibig sabihin 5 shape form. And very common din ito and very versatile na alam kong magiging familiar kayo and tayo from the blues and jazz to folk and rock music. Pause muna. Ang pentatonic scale ay meron din itong 5 notes. The first degree ay ang tonic, and second supertonic, the third is median, pang-5 ay dominant, at pang-6 naman ay subdominant. So, proceed na tayo sa mode. So, modes is originated in ancient Greece. So, the modes were named for various regions, perhaps to represent the people who lived there, because Greek musical theorists were philosophers too, and associate the arts with aspect of the morality. So, here are the main categories of mode that have been part of musical notation since the Middle Age. So, the first characteristic of modes ay Yunyan. Yunyan mode is a simple do-re-mi major key. It is the modern major scale, and it is composed of natural notes beginning on C. So, ang Yunyan mode naman is meron siyang 7 notes. So, tinatawag din itong major scale. And yung sound naman nito ay happy and the positive mode siya. Then, yung example naman ditong kanta ay ang I will always love you ni Whitney House. Basta ni Whitney siya. Then, yung pangalawa naman ay Dorian. So, the Dorian is very similar to the modern natural minor scale, and the only difference is in the 6th note, which is a major 6 above the first note rather than a minor scale. So, ang pagkakaiba nito is yung pang-6 daw na notes ay meron siyang meron siyang flattened. Ayan, nasa na ba yung araw? Ito. Meron siyang gallery. Then, ang Dorian naman ay, sabi dito, ito daw yung isang pangunahing or unang mode na ginamit sa isang musika. Then, meron din itong 7 notes. Ang sound naman dito, or yung song dito ay ang sad and mysterious. Basta mysterious yung kanyang tunog. Kumbaga, distinctive. Basta ganun. Then, yung pangatlo naman ay Radian mode. Is a 3rd mode. And very similar to the modern natural minor scale, and the only difference in the 2nd note, which is minor 2nd, not a major. The Radian dominant is also known as the Spanish gypsy scale because it resembles the scales found in flamenco music. Then yung sound naman nito is katulad ng una, sad din yung tugtog niya and medyo dramatic pagdating sa drama, ganyan. Dramatic, basta ganun. Example naman dito ay ang Hotel California ng Eagles. Then yung pang-4 na mode ay Legion. So, it is the 1 note change from the Yunyan. A major scale, but with the 4th note from the bottom sharp to the give us slightly unsettled sound. So, ang Legion naman is para din naman siyang Yunyan. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito is yung pang-4 niya na notes ay meron siyang sharp. Ibig sabihin daw, meron itong medyo kakaibang tunog. Then, yung halimbawa dito ay ang Shine on You Crazy. Shine on You Crazy Diamond ng Pink Floyd. So, yung panglima naman ay Mixolydian Mode. Mixolydian Mode is a scale from the major scale. So, meron din daw itong 7 note, which is the Platen 7 rather than a major 7. So, ito naman ay yung yung pang 7 note nito ay meron naman din siyang flatten. So, mayroon naman itong happy and glossy na tunog or mode. Then yung halimbawa dito na kanta ay ang Satisfaction ng The Rolling Stone. Then, pang-anim ay Julian Mode. Julian Mode is the natural minor scale, heard in such popular songs as Bob Dylan's All Along the Watchtower or Realms Losing My Religion. So, katulad, same lang ito sa natural minor scale. And yung mayroon naman itong sudden and misteryoso din yung kanyang tunog. So, halimbawa dito yung Hallelujah ni Leonard Cohen. Then pang last naman ay ang Locrian Mode. Meron naman itong 5 notes and its scale flattened a half step. So, lahat ng notes niya ay meron ng mga flattened or may flattened na yung kanyang mga notes. So, meron naman itong sad and dramatic mode. So, the example of this Locrian mode ay ang Enter Sandman ng Metallica.